What up, good people? It's your boy Ant from the Hip Hop News Report. And in this report, let's get right into this news, man. So, during my morning research, come across this first story about Drake get court dates and legal battle with UMG over Kendrick Lamar's "Not Like Us." So it's looking like we actually have court dates. So Drake now has the next steps set for his legal battles against UMG over Kendrick Lamar's "Not Like Us." One court date in December and one in January, according to court records viewed by Hip Hop DX. Shout out to them. Drizzy's petition that was filed in Bexar County, Texas, will be heard before a judge on December 20th. So not too far from Christmas. That hearing will be to determine whether the superstar is allowed to dispose people from iHeartRadio and UMG to ask them if they engage in illegal activity around Kendrick's chart-topping disc record. Drake has another Not Like Us related legal petition as well. This one in New York. For that one, a judge is set to make a decision on January 16th, 2025. So at the beginning of next year. In that case, the boy is asking the court. The boy. Okay. Sometimes these, like the wording in these reports, man, be cracking me up. The boy is asking the court to require Spotify and UMG to preserve any documents or messages relevant to their promotion of "Not Like Us." To continue, in the New York case, Drizzy's legal team filed a pre-action petition in a Manhattan court on November 25th, alleging UMG used bots, payola, and other methods to inflate the chart-topping song. Okay. All right. So that's the update on this whole legal battle with Drake and UMG over the song. All right. Next up, we have this story here. So I did come across this one. So TDE Punch co-signs Drake defamation theory over Kendrick Lamar's "Not Like Us." All right. So the details read: Top Dog Entertainment president Punch seems to co-sign a social media theory that Drake will lose the defamation portion of his possible lawsuit against UMG over Kendrick Lamar's "Not Like Us." All right, so I'm gonna get straight into this. This is video I want you guys to look at. Check out this video. All right. Let's check out this video. Make it big enough for y'all. All right, check this out.
The whole time talking about payola. We haven't even talked about the second legal action, which is about defamation of character.
I got a theory on that one, though.
All right.
What's your theory?
Not Like Us is protected from defamation. I think a lot of people ran with the narrative that, Kendrick called Drake a PDF. My question is, where? Baca got a weird case. Why is he around? Certified Loverboy certified PDFs. Plural is what that word was, right? I didn't say the word, but it's edifying.
Yeah.
He's talking plural after setting up the line, talking about who's around Drake, right? Now we know he said things like, "Say Drake, I hear you like him young." But when you're talking about defamation, I've talked to lawyers about defamation suits from some other stuff outside with my business, and they said that's the hardest thing to prove in a court of law. So to me, when I look at that, it feels more performative, because if you're going to talk about defamation, there's a better case for Kendrick to go after a Drake for defamation when you actually said the names Dave Free, when you said the names Whitney, when you said the names Kendrick and said all of these things that can be defamatory. Like, you now I look at Not Like Us, you show me where he said, Drake, you are a PDF. That's the narrative people ran with. He called him freaky, 6ix9ine God. But go back to that song, really look at it, and it's done plurally to insinuate there are people with weird cases around. And if you start to dig into, Ray, you said it. Are you sure you want to play that game where people start to actually dig into the details of people who may have some things that you don't even know about as Drake? Do you want to go down that lane?
I'ma get $1 million in the bank.
Wow. Hey, yo, shout out to Curtis King, man. If y'all I've been watching Curtis King, like ever since he started his YouTube channel, man. Big fan of him. Big fan of him, man. Y'all go check him out if y'all don't know about Curtis King. He is a artist, I believe, out of the West Coast, I want to say. I'll just say go check out Curtis King, man. Big fan of this guy. But I never really paid attention to, like, I'm not a lawyer. I'm not really into the whole legal aspect. I'm a news reporter. I report on the news, you know, on hip hop news specifically because I love hip hop. But I never thought about the whole, the intricate legal things about this case. You know what I mean? So Aubrey's attorney says, you stop deleting tweets, laughing my ass off. It's not going to save you. Hire a lawyer. Man, this is too punched from TDE. You cooking, Curtis. I was wondering when people pick up on that. So yeah, man, I just wanted to share that with you guys because I thought that was like really, really interesting. All right, so all right, next up, we got some updates on this Jayz situation. So Jayz is now demanding the anonymous sexual assault accuser name herself or drop a lawsuit. Like, this guy is not even joking. Like, in no way, shape, or form. He's like, look, drop your name. Let's get it cracking. Drop a lawsuit. Let's go. Let's rock. Let's rock and roll. Jay-Z's first legal response to being accused of raping a 13-year-old girl back in 2000 is to demand that the so far anonymous accusers say who she is or else drop the case. Hove, after strongly denying the charges in a public statement, filed a motion in federal court on Monday, December 9th, requesting that the plaintiff in the case be denied the ability to proceed anonymously. The previous day, the plaintiff's attorney, Tony Busby, had filed a motion requesting the reverse, that she be allowed to continue the case without sharing her name. So, yeah, man. I will keep you guys updated on that one. You know what I'm saying? Keep you updated on that one. All right, so Fat Joe, I really don't agree with this story, but Fat Joe reveals whether he'll change his name after impressive weight loss. Now, I didn't go through this report, but I'm just saying straight off the bat, Fat Joe, keep your name the same, bro. Please. Like, that's how people know you, man. That's your brand at this point. Fat Joe has cleared up speculation surrounding his stage name after shredding an impressive 200 pounds, thanks in part to Ozempic. And I do want to shout out, Fat Joe for I feel like Fat Joe is too old for the games. He don't have shit to hide. Like, look, nigga, I use Ozempic. That's how I lost my weight. Leave me the fuck alone. Like, but I feel like some people may be using this Ozempic, and they just trying to hide it. You know what I mean? But Fat Joe's like, look, I used the shit. It helped. You know what I mean? So shout out to him. Now, I'm not saying that everybody is using it to lose weight, but for the people, like, you know who you are. For the people who are using it and y'all trying to hide it, like, come on, man, just be real. Let me see if we got any videos. Hopefully it ain't no copyright, because if it's copyrighted, I ain't playing the shit.
Building your online business?
Nah, this John too. It already looks too long, y'all. We just gonna go through the report. So Fat Joe has cleared up speculations in an interview with Big Boy The lean back legend discussed his remarkable weight loss and whether it will have any impact on his rap moniker. He says, when Big Pun passed, I had lost maybe 100 something pounds, but I was still big. I was almost 500 pounds. Golly, bro. That is seriously unhealthy. And then a friend of mine died. He was 20 something. He was the funniest fat dude. I went to his funeral and he had a daughter like me. It was almost like Ebenezer Scrooge. I walked up in the funeral and I said, this is going to happen to you. And you're going to leave your family looking like this. Wow. And that's when I went on super lose weight mode, working out 2 times a day. Not even eating a cracker. I call it crackhead mode. You know what I'm saying. Says Big Boy then asked Fat Joe if he'll ever follow in the footsteps of Jeezy. Excuse me. And shred the fat from his name now that he's much slimmer. But the veteran rapper didn't seem keen on the idea. Thank you, Fat Joe. Thank you. He says, with Fat Joe, we've spent so many millions of dollars to this day. When I come out at the World Series, they say rapper Fat Joe. If they just said rapper Joe, you wouldn't know who the hell that is. Exactly. I'm glad he's a businessman. You know what I'm saying? We spent all of our money pumping up Fat Joe. That even if I slim down way more than this, I'm going to be Fat Joe. My guy, man. I appreciate that. I think that's the smartest move for him as well. All right, so we got these rumors that Saweetie addresses 21 Savage dating rumors after alleged Lotto shade. Saweetie is shutting down any notion that she's creeping around with 21 Savage or has beef with Lotto. While it's not being confirmed, Lotto and 21 have been rumored to been an item for some years now. Earlier this month, however, social media began speculating that the Alot rapper was creeping with Saweetie as they both were in Dubai at the same time. Like I just feel like people just be making shit up just for clicks, man. Literally just be making shit up for clicks, bro.
Big mama, huh? AJ, mystery fashionist, who I'm here with and where you from?
What's up? I'm Saweetie and I'm from California. I know that's right.
We see you got the fur on and all that. Rate your outfit from 1 through 10 and let me know what you were.
1,000. Everybody put their phones on silent. Daniel's fur.
Yeah.
Mwah. Top to bottom. Baby, I'm an icy girl.
What's 5 fashion items you can't live without?
Some stilettos and my diamonds. Daniel's fur. I mean, that's all I really need. I need a blanket, okay, and some cute panties.
All right, what's a weird food mixture that everyone should try?
Top ramen on oysters. Top ramen seasoning on oysters. It's very delicious. I actually dreamt of it, and then I tried it the next day, and all you gotta do is a little ratata.
You said you dreamed about it?
What does this have to do with the report? I should.
Yeah, I dream about my food concoctions.
Yeah, tell us another mixture.
Rancho spaghetti. Have you tried that?
I never tried it.
See, y'all sleeping. Like, when I be posting my food concoctions, it's not for the hype. Like, I grew up this way. I don't know. Maybe y'all didn't have enough cousins or something.
I had banana and rice. Have you had that?
I'm an island girl. Of course I did.
I had mayo and ramen. Have you had that?
Ooh.
Might gotta try that.
Icy girl. Wait, do you put hot sauce in this too?
Yes.
Let me put you on game.
All right, put me on.
So when I do my shin noodles, I boil my noodles first.
Okay.
And then separately, I put 2 eggs.
Okay.
I put a squirt of mayonnaise.
Okay.
I put some chili peppers.
Okay.
I put some hot sauce in there.
God damn.
And then I whisk it. Like, whew, 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 whew. I'm the president of the foodie game.
We're gonna make something work in that house.
Big mama, huh?
Yeah, I don't know what that had to do with the report at all, but there it is. I will say this though. I will say this. If I was a rapper, I wouldn't want nothing to do with anybody else in the entertainment industry, especially female rappers, because you just don't know who they been with. You know what I mean? Like, I want my lady to be untainted. Untainted. And Saweetie and Lotto and whoever else in the rap industry, like, I'm good. So if I was a 21 Savage, I wouldn't want nothing to do with none of these chicks. Not saying anything's wrong with them. It's just a preference of my own. That's just my own personal opinion. Mustard calls out fellow producer Boi1da. Oh my God. I know y'all gonna eat me up in the comments. I was about to say Boi1da. For secretly hating on Not Like Us. Let me fix this for y'all. Hold on, man. So y'all can see the whole picture and shit. Alright, so it looks like Mustard, a Canadian producer, and Canadian producer Boi1da are at odds over Kendrick Lamar's hit Not Like Us. Now, I do know that Boi1da is heavily associated with Drake. Alright, so he's on the Drake side. And you got Mustard, who's on the Kendrick side. So let me see. Are these pictures or videos? It looks like they're just pictures. All right, Mustard, the mastermind behind Lamar's mega hit, was made aware of Boi1da talking smack about the record in a direct message to someone else. Okay, so he says West Coast rap is ass. What? What, bro? Like, you're a hip hop fan, and I feel like all rap has its place. Like, all, like, the different coasts, South, West Coast, East Coast. Like, what he's just saying straight up, West Coast rap is ass. Boi1da tell me this ain't real, Crody. Wow. Somebody says, you just gotta hear it outside. Ass. Nobody outside LA wanna hear that shit. Nigga, I do. I respect all I respect all hip hop, bro. Yeah. He says, what is that? Let me just blow this up a little bit so we can see. He says, laughing my ass off, realest shit I ever seen. My bad, I sent that to the wrong person. What? Nah, nigga. Like, what? I ain't even see it. Laughing my ass off, want nothing serious. You said you like Not Like Us, Boi1da. Well, there's enough yellow tape to go around. Good shit. Been hard as fuck. And that's the end of my TED Talk. Lame ass nigga. Oh, shit's Mustard. This is Mustard. Hey, yo, man. It's just, I feel like this whole thing between, like, Kendrick and Drake, it reminds me of the whole situation between, like, Tupac and Biggie. Like, that's what it seemed like. Like, everybody has their sides, everybody has their picks. You know what I mean? But yeah, whatever, man. This shit crazy. If he doesn't like West Coast rap, you don't like it, bro. Just stand on it. You know what I mean? But y'all let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video. Comment. Let's talk about it in the comment section about any of the stories that was covered in this report this morning. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and it's your boy Ant, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Peace.